my channel. My name is Dhanishta Mitra, and for today's video I'm going to share with you 4 DIYs that actually works. So what do I mean by actually works? So in today's beauty industry, a lot of people believe that DIYs do not work and they are a total waste of money, but I'm going to share with you 4 DIYs that actually works, and we all know that it's going to work, and that has worked for me, and my skin type is very dry and sensitive. And also I'm going to give you options if you have an oily skin so that you can customize it according to your need. And yes, without any further ado, we'll get straight with the DIYs. Now for the first DIY, I'm going to use Multani Mitti and raw milk. You can also use curd in place of raw milk, and if you have oily or acne prone skin, you can use rose water or any other facial mist of your choice. I'm going to mix the milk and Multani Mitti together till I get this creamy consistency, and then I'm going to apply it on all over my face. Yeah, so my mask is done. I'm going to let it semi-dry. I will not let it completely dry because I have a very dry skin. So once this is semi-dry, I'm going to wash it off. Now the next DIY is my absolute favorite. So this consists of aloe vera gel, glycerin and vitamin E. So first I'm going to take glycerin, and then into the glycerin I'm going to take aloe vera gel in equal proportions. After that I'm going to take the vitamin E capsule and I'm going to take the liquid from it, and I'm going to mix it up with the glycerin and aloe vera. This is extremely good for people having very dry skin like me. So yeah, this mask is done. I'm going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. You're going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes on your skin, just mask to work on your skin, because there's glycerin and aloe vera and you want that to get nicely absorbed into your skin. So yeah, after 20 to 30 minutes I'm going to wash it off and then come back with the next DIY. I have washed my face and come back, and you can see that my face looks glowy, but there is nothing on my face again. There is no moisturizer, nothing. I have just washed my face. So if you have extremely dry skin like me, and also I have a very sensitive skin, as I said earlier in the video, like I tend to get redness here and here in this area if my skin tends to get very dry and dehydrated. So this mask really saved my skin, like really. So yeah, if you have really dry skin, you should definitely try out this mask. Only if you are not allergic to any of this, like aloe vera, glycerin and vitamin E, you should do a patch test before that. And yes, if you are not allergic to any of the ingredients, you are good to go. Now for this DIY, I'm going to use vitamin E and pomegranate oil. You can use any other oil in place of pomegranate oil, like rosehip oil, carrot seed oil, almond oil or olive oil. I'm going to mix the two ingredients together, and then I'm going to apply it. You have to take it on your finger like this, and you have to take it on the two fingers just like this, and you're going to just tap it under the eyes very lightly. Alright, I'm going to put it on this cuticles of my nails just like this. Same way I'm going to put it on my lips. This will save your lips and under eyes. Trust me, you do not need anything if you have this. This mask is done. I'm going to keep it like this for 2 to 3 hours because I'm at home anyway, but I will advise you to do it in the night, like apply it as an overnight mask. You're going to apply it, go to sleep, and next day you're going to wash it off with cold water or normal water. That works beautifully. And yes, with that we're going to move on to our last DIY. So taking care of your body is as important as your face. So for this DIY, I'm going to use oats and milk. You can also use curd in place of milk, or you can also use just oats with water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this oats and milk together, and I'm going to leave it for half an hour to get a little bit of tacky. Now you can see the oats have become really sticky, and it has become like really soft. So I'm going to apply it on my hand. This works beautifully as a body scrub. And I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand. Okay, so yes, I'm going to keep it like this for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off by massaging it in circular motion with normal water. And yes, with that I finished this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like this video, then don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean everything to me. See you guys all next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.